Hello sports fans, welcome to RV'ing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck, and today we're going to do a little interior view of the VW Bug and showing a few things that I've got going on and need to do and going to do and have done. But first, I need to go wake up my supervisor to make sure that the job is done correctly. It's just about sunset, but it was a warm day, so I got the fan going. She was a little too warm in her bed, so she's chilling, but time to get up. So the first thing was this door panel. It was basically coming off. I glued one of the broken brackets on the handle. I removed the whole door panel. There were no screws on the bottom holding it in. So I did put some screws in there, and I glued that had come off. I glued the little bracket for the gas tank in the trunk, and I've got on order that just came in a little red reflector light. Not that it does much, but at least I'll cover that gap. The next thing is I've got my cell phone holder up here. I put in a TPMS system, tire pressure monitoring system, which tells me the temp and, more importantly, the PSI of each tire. I did put in a new clip. Unfortunately, the sun visor, which is down there, was so bent it broke it, so I put in the second clip, and I've ordered 2 new visors. Much like these, they might come in gray. They've got electrical wiring which had been cut, and I'm not even going to worry about that. Normally when you pull that down and slide the mirror open, the light comes on, but these are both cut. I did put in a new armrest holder here. That tan doesn't exactly match the beige, but it's okay. And I don't know how I got a little rip on this, but I'm going to try a little liquid stitch, which is good for fabric, to hopefully keep it from tearing any further. And then we'll go from there. There's 1 or 2 screws missing on the bottom of that door, so I'm going to try and get those in today as well. And of course, curiosity killed the cat, as they say, and she wants to come in and check things out. One thing that's a bummer is right there on that door hitch. Yep, there she goes. All nice and dirty. Oh, yeah. Thanks, Ninja. These are WeatherTech floor mats that I put in, both the driver's side and in the back, because it had no floor mats. But one thing I'm disappointed about is this bracket that holds the door completely broken off. So this door is either all the way open or it closes on me. Get enough excitement there? Thank you. So we'll have to see how that liquid stitch does to the steering wheel. So I do have some touch-up paint at a friend's house in Phoenix. When I get it, I'll sand that down and we'll see how it turns out. This rear tail lamp was melted. The bulbs are staying in place by wire, and it's just a mess. Nothing is holding that in. I duct taped the inside to hold it in, but I do have a new one that just arrived that I'll be putting in and getting that fixed. The other thing that this had was one missing gas strut, gas shock there, and the other one was worn out. So I did replace it. As you can see, they work great. So I stand corrected on the, where are they at? 1, 2, 3 screw holes on the bottom. There's nothing there. So I've got some screws and washers, and see if I can't get this door bolted in, screwed in. So as you can see, with the screw and a washer, I was able to get all 3 of these screwed in. So there's some minor success today. And there's the example of the reflector from the passenger door that I ordered for the driver's side. So I hope you liked the brief tour. I know it wasn't a full tour, but a brief look at the inside of the VW. and things that I've done and are doing to it. You know, no matter how much you polish up a piece of doo-doo, it's still a piece of doo-doo. So my goal is to make it user-friendly for me, thus the armrests and the mats and the door inside not banging around and things like that. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Give this a thumbs up and share it if you think anybody might want to see what a VW project looks like. And Ninja and I wish you a great rest of your day. Be positive, be nice, and be active.